In 1974, while working on his MTech project at IIT Bombay, Kumarbhai Desai wasn't chasing a business. He was solving a problem for his project. What he found was a stuck elevator and a chance to lift an entire industry. In those days, elevators in India hadn't changed for years, and the idea of building something Indian, people simply didn't believe it could be done. Kumarbhai had a secure future ahead, but he chose a different path. With just 450 rupees and a rented shed in Ahmedabad, he stepped into a space ruled by a monopoly and dared to make a difference. Kumarbhai approached his first builder with no brand, no backing, just belief. He didn't promise the cheapest lift. He promised the best one. And he made it clear, if the quality didn't speak for itself, they didn't have to keep it. That first lift still works. And so does the trust it built. That trust didn't stop at one building. It grew floor by floor, city by city, from Ahmedabad to Dubai, Nairobi, Dar es Salaam and beyond. Omega Elevators was just getting started. Kumarbhai didn't follow the market. He reimagined it. He made lifts smarter, smoother and more energy efficient long before the world caught on. From one lift in a rented shed to thousands across 52 cities in India. Omega didn't just grow, it earned trust. With engineering so precise, even a 50 paisa coin stands still inside their lift. But the real story isn't just about climbing the ladder of success. It's also about lifting others. Kumarbhai didn't just build a company, he built a culture. He opened doors for the visually challenged. He kept the factory tobacco free. And he nurtured more than trees. He nurtured dignity, discipline and purpose. And when it was time to grow bigger, he chose a partner who believed in his principles, not just his balance sheet. With Kotak, it wasn't just funding. It was a shared belief in how business should be built. From 450 rupees in hand to a business worth hundreds of crores today. From one elevator to thousands lifting India every day. Over 45,000 projects. 1,800 skilled professionals. From homes to hospitals, bungalows to metros, Omega lifts serve every space. With innovations like AI-powered parking, smart monitoring and oil-free motors, Omega keeps raising the bar. Kumarbhai Desai didn't wait for the lift. He built a better one. And in doing so, he lifted thousands with him. At Kotak, we're proud to partner with entrepreneurs like Kumarbhai Desai, who dare to defy the odds and show the world Hausla hai to ho jayega.